Lesson 2, the white cross. Our cube should look like this now. We've completed the daisy. This lesson, we're going to learn to complete the white cross, like this. Don't worry if we have corners in place at the end. We're only concerned with getting the white centre and 4 white edges in place. Let's get going. It's a simple lesson and won't take long.
Position: yellow centre on top, sides to move, top and face.
Remember, if you only move these sides, then you won't get confused and have to start again.
But starting again is not the end of the world. You've got this.
What we want is the white petal next to the white centre. If we pick one petal, this one is white on top and on the side it's blue. It doesn't matter what colour you do first. We'll go with blue. Now, rotate the top until the blue matches up with the blue centre. Now rotate the face round twice. Once, twice. What we've done is put the white petal next to the white centre, and we know it's in the right place as the blue matches up with the blue centre.
Put the yellow centre back on top. Select your next petal.
I'm going with red this time, but again, it doesn't matter what colour you pick. Rotate the top until it matches with the red centre and do the same again. Rotate the face twice. Once, twice. You'll see you're starting to build the white cross.
Put the yellow centre back on top. Select your next petal.
Mine is green this time, but again, it doesn't matter what colour you pick. Rotate the top until it matches the green centre and do the same again. Rotate the face twice. Once, twice. And now you'll see the white cross is almost complete. Last one to do now.
Yellow on top, find the petal.
It's orange. Match it up with the orange centre and move the face twice. Once, twice. And as if by magic, the white cross is complete. When you're ready, we'll see you for lesson number 3.